We'd been fishing Sunday evening and it started sprinkling a little bit.
They got around an estimated 12 inches of rain in a couple of hours. And all of that rain just drained off into the creeks and the streams and the rivers. And so it was basically like a wall of water coming down.
He jumped up on the bed and his paws were wet. And so I looked down on the floor and I could see the carpet was wet. So I went over and opened the door and water was flooding in.
It's absolutely critical for our emergency responders to deploy their resources as wisely as possible. In this case, they were right on top of it.
We lowered the rescue swimmer down into the tree to our first victim, which ended up being an older gentleman, a male.
It was a relief to me. It was a good feeling to be out of that tree.
I put her in the quick drop backwards, which basically bowed her over forward so she was leaning away from you.
I said, I gotta take my dog, and he said, we'd try. But he said, you gotta hold him.
She was spent. I mean, I don't blame her. I mean, she'd been there holding onto that tree for 5 hours in the fight of her life.
I was turned, and Cody's like right here, and I was hugging him, kissing him, and thanking him for saving my life.